Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Google Ads and link analytics so you can track real conversions. This matters because data drives optimization. Start by choosing one measurable goal, leads, sales, or traffic, and pick a daily budget you can sustain. Once done, set geographic targeting and language to avoid wasted clicks. Make sure to enable conversion tracking now, because without it you'll guess which ads work. These first steps minimize guesswork and let you move quickly into campaign creation. You create a campaign and pick search if people already have intent or display when you need awareness. Next, craft multiple headlines and descriptions so Google can mix and match. This improves performance automatically. Once done, add exact match and phrase match keywords tied to intent, and set smart bidding like maximize conversions or target CPA for efficiency. Make sure to upload responsive assets, images and logos, and confirm the final URL works, because ad quality depends on relevance and landing page experience. You launch and then monitor performance frequently. Early data shows trends, but don't overreact to day-to-day swings. Once you have 5,100 clicks, analyze CTR, conversion rate, and cost per conversion and make changes. Pause poor keywords, raise bids on winners, and refine ad copy. Make sure to run a /B tests for landing pages and ads. Testing reveals what converts. If results stall, check conversion tracking first. If it's broken, fix tag installation before changing bids or creative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.